first we are creating the scenery. Okay, first step is to circle. Okay, so after that things, we are making this little bigger one more circle. This is especially this is a circle only. Okay, that is circle only. Here you can also make one more nice circle. Okay, and inside also one circle. Okay. We do some sketching first. Okay. Take time. Okay. आराम से. Yes. His name Minion. Minion.
After that,
Okay.
are we making a cat?
No.
Why?
Why?
Don't say it's anything.
Why?
I'm getting distracted. That's why.
Okay, beta. This then you are doing here. Just inside the line, you just want to remove. If you remove it, then this looks nice. This all construction line you can. Okay, this. Okay. Okay. So now after that is a one hand. We are making the dress first. Get the mouth. Okay. So make the dress like this. Okay. रख दिया ड्रेस को बना लिया like this. I remove my hand.
Yes, I can see the hand. Yeah, now look at it.
Sure, ma'am.
Sir,
Yes, now Papa is joined. Not joined still yet. I see the new link. Okay. मैम आज वो लेके पहले ज्वाइन किया था उस देख के जल करने वाली बोला था तो जो ऑलरेडी किया था मैंने उसको दूसरी लीग पे आने के लिए बोला। तो अगर नहीं कर पाए तो प्रीवियस लीग में फर्स्ट लीग जिसमें ज्वाइन किया तो उसमें जाने के लिए बोल दीजिए, है ना? हाँ 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 वही वही उसमें ज्वाइन कर दीजिए जो पहले दिया था, जो आज EIK। हाँ 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 उसकी हाँ। ओके ओके त्रिशा, ईशान आराम से कर बेटा। टुडे आप सिनारी ड्रॉ करेंगे। ओके ओके now we can make it that here one hand, okay, and here one hand. Sorry beta, yeah I should starting beta. First make the circle, okay, first make circle one and then you make the another circle like this. I make another circle like this. I do second hand like this. The second hand. Like this. Second hand is okay. आराम से करो। अंडरस्टैंड दिशा? पहले ये बना लो बेटा, फिर यहाँ पे आईज ड्रॉ करना है। ओके yes you can make cap on the top. Okay आराम से। Yes.
How do you do the legs? Sir, how do you do the legs?
Okay, do that. Yes. Okay, Ishan and Tania. Beta, I send one link. You that join that link only. Okay. No, I send that now only, Tanisha. Ishan, just check it out. Okay, both. You and your sister both. Yes. Now.
Sir, why are you removing everyone from the meeting?
Removing because all are joined the same league. You also. Now make this the half. I just make the leg, okay? Small leg like this. Like this. Okay.
Hey, Ibu. Datang dong mainan. Makin aku. Amari, bisa kayu sih. Hey, kamu balik.
Okay.
Sir, can you do the legend?
Yeah, just a minute.
Can you go a little bit early?
You can see the leg, right, Peter? can see the leg. Hi, sir, Tapan sir here. Sir, I see new name for joint actually. This is a different name. So I tell you that already. You just maybe Tanisha not understood. Just join that link only. Okay, this is what the name is. Okay, thank you so much. Happy Dasara, sir. Bye bye. So now you can join this. Okay. आराम से बेटा understood Trisha here make one line
Sir.
yeah
Sir.
show you okay done beta now here
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
okay now you can draw the eyes like this another hand okay
What is the color?
I do color just few minutes okay wait I just erasing this part okay inside this line I erase it and draw the first dress like this the dress okay one and
Sir, are we drawing that?
yeah you can draw both are draw because I making the new character it is okay new character here playing is this character eating something very simple character yeah
Can you edit me or say?
yeah
Okay, sir.
yeah you can do anything so this is the hand so this is the standing on the some petals okay yeah yes Tanisha call you your brother also joined the same thing Ishana so we are creating the yellow color okay here अच्छा ঠিক আছে they are making like this
Sir, what
Yes, beta.
color is it? This.
Color yellow and blue okay this is the yellow and this part is the blue right
yellow.
Yeah, lemon yellow. You can use lemon yellow.
This one?
Yeah, you can use this one.
Sir, I don't have lemon yellow. Can I use normal yellow?
Yes, better you can use.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, better. आराम से take time. आराम से first one give and then I go to second one.